What's up, you little woodland-dwelling nymphs who are awesome? The way you talk to yourself matters. Shocker, I know, right? The way you talk to yourself matters a lot. Think about right now the things you tend to tell yourself, either verbally or in your own head. What do you constantly tell yourself? Now, if you've never done introspection, this might be hard, but really think about the things you find yourself repeating every day. For me, a while ago, it was always, I hate myself, I don't like this thing about me, and all it did was produce more negative symptoms. I was depressed, I was sad, I was angry, and it all stemmed from the way that I was talking about myself. Here's the thing, boys. Here's the gist. You have to be your own doctor of your own attitude. You can prescribe the medicine that you need. Let me be very clear. Don't self-diagnose yourself with a medical thing, physical or mental. Don't. But you can give yourself the medicine you need for your attitude. You can heal your attitude and your pattern of thought by the things you say and the things you think. If your sickness is being too hard on yourself, you have to prescribe kindness. If your illness is that you don't feel understood and you feel alone, tell yourself that you understand. Nobody's gonna know you better than yourself. Your spouse will not know you better than yourself. Your partner will not know you better than yourself. Your best friend will not know you better than yourself. Your dog will not know you better than yourself. You have way more power in terms of healing yourself than you know. You have self-healing power of your thoughts and your attitudes just by the things you say and just by the things you read and say about yourself and think about yourself. Here's a perfect example. Here we go. What have I been doing to practice this habit? I send myself text messages. I literally send a text message to my own phone number, put my phone down, answer the text message from myself and read it back. Now for you, it might be journaling. You can send text messages to yourself. It can be looking in the mirror and giving yourself these affirmations. Whichever method works. Try all of them, find one that works. And guess what? If journaling doesn't work for you, that's okay. It's not something wrong with you. You just gotta find the best thing that works for you. I like to text myself. I enjoy it. I like seeing text messages, positive text messages for myself. But anyways, I was feeling a little down. I was feeling rough. I had a rough day and I knew the things I needed to hear to feel better. I consciously knew the things that I needed to tell myself to feel better. And this was the text message I sent myself. Hey buddy, I know today was kind of rough for you, but I am so proud that you stayed true to what you wanted to do. That speaks volumes about your tenacity and your mental toughness. Great job. Listen, you can be disciplined, but be kind to yourself. You work too hard and expel too much mental energy with all the things you're trying to accomplish to add being hard on yourself on top of it. I love you just as you are. There is nothing wrong with you. You are worthy of love and affection, Christian. I love you. Smiley face emoji. Reading that text message back to myself was so healing. It gave me so much healing just in that moment, reading that message from me to me. And I've been doing that for the past couple weeks, and my mental state has been so much healthier, and I've been so much happier in my own skin and so much more proud of myself, and consequently, I've been able to produce more stuff and more content in this time because I've been kind to myself. So prescribe the affirmations that you need. Be your own PhD of positivity. Oh yeah, that was smart. And if you forget, set an alarm. Set an alarm for 8 p.m. every day and say, write a positive affirmation to myself. Set an alarm, do it daily, do this daily practice. It's gonna sound weird, it's gonna feel weird in the beginning, but it does help so much. So get after it, speak and think kindly about yourself, prescribe your own positivity. Prescribe your own positivity. Let's do this. Come on, boys, let's go.